Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, join my family. So today guys, I'm going to try out the product that I bought for my clients on my face and see how they will go. So keep it tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this family, like and share the video. So I have already wiped my face. Now I'm using a moisturizer before I go in to my eyebrows, so keep it tuned. So the moisturizer is from the Simple company, and it looks so good on my face, the glow guys. Ooh. So next I'm going in with the powder from Iman, and I want, because I have a very oily face, so I wanted my eyebrows to be dry a little bit. See how many brushes I have, you guys. Oh, I can't wait for this project to take over guys. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows, then I'm going to use a black pencil to line my eyebrows. Then I'm going to fill in with my brown eye pencil, and that's now I'm just cleaning, and I already finished cleaning. That was fast. So next I'm going to use this sponge to clean my eyes. So yeah, next I'm going to use the makeup eyeshadow max from Max, and I used the orange one to clean the upper eye. So next I'm going to use the pink one on my outer corner. Then I'm going to use a concealer to set my inner eye, and I'm going to put in the purple glitters, as you can see guys. So yeah, I'm going to do that even on the other side, so keep it tuned. Also guys, now we are putting in the lashes. I'm going to use the Davis eyeliner. It's also a glue. So yeah, and fixing eyelashes is not a joke. Yeah, we are back, and I'm going to use this Note mascara. That's how it came out. Then now we are done with the eyes. I'm applying primer from LA Girl. Oh, my face is already glowy, you guys. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay color 360. Is it 360 or 355? I'm going to correct that on my sides. Then I'm adding my concealer on my under eye, and I'm going to use the same sponge but with some water. And of course guys, this clip was lost. I don't know how it was lost, and I did another clip. This is another day. So guys, I hope you can relate. For YouTubers, you can relate. So this is where I used my foundation, and also I used the dark concealer on my nose and on my cheeks. Yeah, right there. And the brighter concealer I used on my under eye. That's why I'm explaining. This is the result they are coming on the other side. That's why you can see the other. I didn't explain the other side how it came out. So yeah, I'm going to use the spray from Naked. It's a long-lasting spray. Oh, it feels so good. And we are done with the face guys. So let the makeup sit in. Then we are going to do the lips. I'm going to use two shades. So one is a pencil, it's a purple pencil, and the other one is a Huda Matte lipstick. I don't know guys if I'm good with the voiceover. I don't like doing voiceover. Right now I'm doing voiceover. I'm really sick, but I'm trying for you guys. Please excuse me if you feel like my voice is kinda deep. So my daughter just passed and she's talking to me, so don't mind us. So I'm doing like an ombre lipstick. It will come out like a purplish, brighter purplish. I don't know. As you can see, it is matching with my eyes. Oh, look at my face. Look at that foundation, guys. Look at that. Eh? Hey, we ain't coming here to play. By the way, the superstay, it's a full coverage, so you cannot see any spot on my face. And I'm going to fix that eyelash you are seeing there. I think I didn't apply a glue there. So right now I'm concealing my lips to clean out the excess lipstick. So yeah, we are done. Next, I'm going to highlight my cheeks and my nose bone, and also my upper side of my forehead. So yeah, look at me, who be this, guys, who be this? So yeah, look at that brush, so fluffy and so cute. I can't wait to use it again. So yeah, my clients, hey, what a fry. And that is it, guys. Voila, look at that girl. Voila, she's looking so gorgeous. Is this me? Wow. Makeup, whoever came out with makeup, may God bless you. May our God bless you. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous woman. Is that me? Oh, when I add in the light, let me add the light, you can see how it looks like. Oh, in a minute, let me just enjoy without the light first. Oh, look at that. Oh, hey, is that me? Look at how my eyes matches my lips. And I've just done a minimal makeup. Imagine if you want a dramatic makeup. We have all shades, guys. Oh, look at my lips. I think I'm going to buy some other lip pencils for those who want lip combo. So yeah, I love the lip ombre. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your evening, morning or afternoon.